Right guys, we're here. We made it. I filmed a bit of it from the yard, but I can't upload that. So technically I've really missed 3 of them. I've showed up with my water bottle and my teacup. Got Diwali over there. I'm not filming any trains tonight, guys. I'm just coming so I can get those fireworks. My mate's longing me off. No, we're busy today. Oh, there they are. Don't worry, there's still. I think there's still 1 more week after this. 2 more weeks. So yeah, real good. It might be the 1930. It might be the 1937 to London Fenchurch Street coming in shortly. By Rainham. And then late running 2B54. I'm waiting for a train to get these fireworks. I can't believe I'm around here all the way with my teacup. Here it's arriving. And coming in now is the 1934 to London Fenchurch Street. 1937. 357012. Yeah, literally. I see headlights. See train on my train for now. There's headlights over, that one's arrived. You see those beautiful fireworks. If I start at 7:30, it's going to finish about 19:39. It's leaving now. Beautiful thing, aren't they? Let's get out of the way so we get this. And I'm running 5 minutes late. Is the 1932 from London Fenchurch Street, Shoeburyness via Basildon. It's coming now. And it's 2 Bravo 54. Get the fireworks in the same background. Oh no, via Ockenden. And it's 2 Romeo 52. So no, that one is right. That's the 1937. I think it's 357326. Yeah, 357326. Oh yes, let's go with it. Let's carry away to get these fireworks. Oh yes, beautiful things. Sheesh. Best place to watch them if you can't get home, if you can't make it, if all your mates are busy, if you're busy, place to get them. Happy Halloween! Shit, I've got to bring my speaker. Is there time still? Is there time? Is there still time? Oh, multitask. Multitask. Let's get some music on. My D's are still there. Yeah, fucking. It didn't connect. Fuck you. I said. Connect! Come on. Woo! Woo! That's it. Beautiful thing. Last bang, last little hit, big bang. Woo! Give yourselves a round of applause. That's a wrap, guys. That's a wrap. Bang on 7:39. Don't get copyright, guys. I'll do, guys. I'll end the video. So headlights over there. Any more fireworks? Let's just film this train, this headlight. Gonna get copyright, guys. Yes. And this should be like running 2 Romeo. This should be like running 2 B54. Let's see if I'm right. Moon's out. And it's 2 Bravo 54. 357009 and 357011 double refurbished. The latest one's out. The 20th and the 23rd one gone. Awesome. Oh, that's over there. Oh, there's more. Another one. I'm arriving in now. The 1942 to London Fenchurch Street via Basildon on 2 Romeo 50 sign. Ooh. 357209 and 008, the banana. Fifth one done. Might be the 1940 something coming in now.